Hey, want to have taste of Linux in 2021? Of course, yes, yeah. And what if I tell you that you can run Linux on web browser? Yeah, you heard it right, on your web browser. It doesn't matter whether you are currently on Windows, Linux, or Mac, you can experience most of the popular Linux distro from your web browser. What you only need is a computer with a web browser installed on it and a decent internet connection. So let's get into the computer.
So here, just to go to the search bar and type on vox.net. This is the website that I was talking about. Here you can see different Linux flavors are available and you can try them out. Here are those. So if I want to try out Zorin OS, then I click enter and it will take me to this page. So here it is showing me some description about the Zorin OS, and here is suggesting me top cloud OS. I can switch here, but let me just try out Zorin OS first. So let me open it in new tab. So it is saying that click button start to run your operating system. So I'm going to start it, and it's in the progression. So OS successfully started. So let me just enter in the OS. It again takes the same amount of time. Let me go here and show you more. Here are some of the Ubuntu based versions, Debian based version, RPM, Special OS. So here are the Ubuntu based distros, Bodhi Linux, Uber Student. They are all Linux distros. Check here Special OS. So what is that? So what is here in Special OS? Here are some of the Special OS like React OS, Windows Online Explorer, Parrot Security OS, OpenSUSE Edu, and Pure OS Mac emulator. And let me just tell you one thing, that Pure OS is same as Mac OS. The only difference between them is Mac OS is the paid version that is being handled by the Apple company, and Pure OS is Linux, that's open source operating system, and that's UI is familiar like Mac, and you can say that's Xerox of the Mac OS. So here are some of them. Let me quickly check if our CentOS this has been started. Yeah, it has been started. Now we are running an operating system inside of our browser, so it lags a little bit. So here is my Zorin OS. I can do now whatever I want in Zorin OS. I can search it up here, like just say I want to search for Office, and here are some of the LibreOffice versions that are the alternatives of Microsoft Office, and of course they are free ones and open source. So I'm going to quit it for now. I want to run other operating systems, like let's just say I want to run another operating system, like let me start React OS. So it is loading, and now I can run it online. Yeah, so that is loading, and I can now read about the React OS. Here is Elementary OS. Here is AD Ubuntu. I don't know which distro is this. Maybe a flavor of Ubuntu. And Fedora, Parrot Security, Debian, all of the distros are in here. So it's entering in my operating system. That's so here it's starting. Okay, it's taking too much time. Let me switch it here. And there are so many other distros, and I think there are more than that distros. Let me just OS distribution and let me see how many OS are here. So here are many of the OS, and I can go to the next page. Okay, now it's showing me ads because I have turned off the ad blocker, and you can see that there are operating systems in huge amount. You can try out any of them. So there's like Ubuntu 19. Yeah, the present version is Ubuntu 20, but Ubuntu 19 is here. You can try out Kali Linux also. And I'm here now. Yeah, this has been done. Welcome. Install driver automatically. I don't want to install drivers now, so I'm going to cancel it. It is a little bit lagging, so yeah, I can do pretty much what I want. I can refresh. Yes, I can go to start bar and I can do many more things, but remember, the sessions are not saved automatically. You have to save it on your Google Drive. I am not going to do that. See what's going up here. Let me switch to see. So what here? Let me just open the file manager. What is it? So click on here. Can I search in here? I can't. Think I need to sort down it. Okay, it is giving me the interface to sort down. So OS is sorting down and has been shut down. So that's it. And here is Kali Linux. You can try out Kali Linux also. That's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video with another awesome tutorial about programming, Linux and web development. So stay tuned and click that subscribe button and press the bell icon for never missing an update in the future.